since you left, counting leaves that dance and sway in the morning rain. There's a bird that comes to visit, emerald and gray, and I wonder if it knows how much has changed. Every day I see it cleaning itself, patient and serene, teaching me what healing is. Every shade of green holds hope. Every shade of green. Nature's words help me cope. Every shade of green holds hope. Like branches reaching high, I'll learn to grow. The first time I noticed I could barely breathe, grief had wrapped its fingers tight around my heart. But those wings spread wide beneath the maple tree, showing me that beauty never really falls apart. Now I watch and wait each morning, feeling less alone, like feathers catching the light of home. Every shade of green holds hope. Every shade of green. Nature's words help me cope. Every shade of green holds hope. Like branches reaching high, I'll learn to grow. Green upon green upon green, life flows through all I've seen. The smallest wings can lift the heaviest pain. I'm learning to believe again. Today the bird brought others to share this quiet space, and I found myself beginning to smile. There is peace in the pattern of their gentle grace, so I'll stay and watch them for a while. In the light that softly filters through the leaves above, I feel your memory filled with love. Every shade of green holds hope. Every shade, nature's words help me cope. Every shade of green holds hope. Like the branches reaching high, we can all grow.
緑が希望をくれる歌みたいだね。
ああ、この歌は緑が希望を象徴してるってことだな。失恋の痛みを抱えながらも、自然の力で癒されていく様子が描かれてる。特に鳥の描写が希望の象徴として効果的だ。
鳥が希望の象徴なんだね。他にどんな象徴があるかな？
緑も希望の象徴だな。歌詞ではエブリシェードオブグリーンホールズホープとあるように、緑の色合いすべてが希望を意味してる。あと木や葉っぱも成長や癒しの象徴として使われてるな。
緑、木、葉も希望なんだね。他に何か気づいたことある？
ポイの掃除をする姿もポイントだな。歌詞にあるようにペーシェント&セレネってのは焦らずに癒しに向き合う姿勢を示してる。あと羽も軽やかに悲しみを乗り越える象徴だ。
掃除する姿や羽も希望なんだね。歌詞全体で希望が溢れてるね。
そうだな。歌詞全体で自然の美しさや力強さ、そして癒しのプロセスが希望に満ちて描かれてる。ブランチズリーチングハイ、We can all grow ってフレーズが特にそうだな。前向きな成長を感じさせる。